This video will show you how to use Google Meet for video interpreting. After accepting a video interpreting booking with all graduates, you can expect to receive a confirmation email with the details of your booking. This will include the link to both a test call with an all graduates coordinator and the link for the actual meeting, as well as our general guidelines for video interpreting. This email will also include the link to your service delivery form, which needs to be filled in upon completion of all video interpreting bookings. On the day of your booking, we ask that you log in to a quick test video call with an all graduates video interpreting coordinator. This is to be done around 10 minutes prior to the start of your booking, to ensure that we can see and hear you well, as well as to answer any questions that you may have. You can find the link to this test call in your confirmation email. Please click on this link 10 minutes before the start of your booking. This should now open a page in your web browser where you can see a preview of your video. You will also see two small icons representing your camera and your microphone. You will need to ensure that both of these are in the on position before joining the meeting. In the bottom right-hand corner of your image, you will see a Backgrounds button. This can be used to change or blur your background. Your background can be slightly blurred or completely blurred if you wish. This effect can be removed by choosing to turn off backgrounds. At the top right-hand corner of your image, you will see 3 dots. Clicking on this will open up more options. You are likely only to access the first and last options on this list. If you would like to make any changes to which camera and microphone are being used, you can do so by accessing the Settings option. If there is more than one option for your microphone and speaker, they can be selected here from the drop-down menu. You can also see if your microphone is detecting any sound, indicated by the movement of the bars as you speak, and you can also test your speakers by playing a short sound clip. You are also able to make changes to which camera is being used, and can change the resolution of the video being sent and received. We recommend that you leave these on their default setting of Auto. When you are ready to join the meeting, please click Join Now. When the meeting is started, you will see the All Graduates Coordinator as the main image on your screen, and you should be able to see a smaller version of yourself in the top right-hand corner. You will also see several icons at the bottom of your screen. Starting from left to right, we can view the meeting details, we can mute and unmute our microphone, leave the call, and turn off and back on our camera. We can also use the Raise Hand function, which alerts the other party that you have something to communicate. You should not be required to use the Captions or Present Now buttons. If you would like to change how the other participants in the video call are displayed, you can do so by clicking on the 3 dots in the bottom right of your screen to access other options. You can then select Change Layout. We recommend that you leave this setting on Auto. However, if you are experiencing any issues with the way the other participants are displayed, you can choose Tiled to show all participants at once, Spotlight to make only a certain participant visible, or Sidebar to make one participant's video larger than the others and still see the rest of the participants in the call. You are also able to customize how many participants to display depending on the layout chosen. Other options you can access while in a video call include making the call full screen and changing your background. You should not be required to use the other buttons. At the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will be able to view how many participants are in the call, and Google Meet also has a chat function, which can be useful for communicating if there are any issues with the audio or if the professional wishes to share any written information. You should not be required to use the Activities button. When you have finished the test call with an All Graduates Coordinator, you may hang up by clicking on the red Leave Call button. You will then need to return to your confirmation email and click the second link, which will take you to the actual meeting with the professional and client. When you are ready to start, you will need to click on Ask to Join. You may need to wait for the professional to allow you into the meeting. Please leave this page open and wait for the meeting to start. If more than 10 minutes have passed and the meeting still has not started, please please contact our video interpreting support team for assistance.